Absolutely. A bad turbo can cause oil leaks. Here's why. A turbocharger is essentially an air compressor that is powered by the exhaust gases from your engine. It forces more air into the engine's combustion chamber, which in turn increases the power output. The turbo itself has many seals and bearings that need to be lubricated by the engine's oil. Over time, just like any part with moving bits and constant stress, these can wear out. If your seals or bearings start to fail, you'll get oil seeping out, or in worst cases, oil being burned along with fuel, which leads to that lovely blue smoke you see coming out of the tailpipe of a car with turbo issues. The turbo operates under extreme temperatures which can cause the oil to degrade, so it's important to maintain it well with regular oil changes, something you definitely don't want to skimp on. If you ignore these maintenance requirements, the turbo can become its own worst enemy, taking oil that's meant to protect it and turning it into a destructive force inside its high-speed spinning grave. There's also the issue of the oil return line. If it gets clogged, that oil's got to go somewhere, right? Usually you'll find it pooling around seals and gaskets, looking for the path of least resistance, which you'll find manifested as leaks. Living here in Portland, Oregon, with the amount of rain we get, you can bet I've seen my fair share of turbo issues on the road. It's not uncommon to see a little smoke on a rainy day, followed by the smell of burning oil when a turbo seal has given up the ghost. For those of you not as car savvy, think of it like a sneeze, when your body's trying to get rid of something it doesn't like. In the case of a turbo, it's the oil that isn't being contained properly, and the sneeze is that oil mist escaping wherever it can. So, yeah, if you start seeing oil spots on your driveway or notice your car's burning oil at an alarming rate, you may want to have your turbo, and the system associated with it, checked out by a professional. Because while turbos can give you that sweet boost in power, they can also be a bit temperamental, especially if they're not given the TLC they deserve. Drive safe out there, especially with the perennially wet roads of the Pacific Northwest. The last thing you need is your turbo pulling a fast one on you.